everyone, hello. So today we're going to do some fun look. So why not we just do a bit of look for you to play around at home if you guys don't know what to do, you know what I mean. Anyway, so today I'm going to use this very super fun palette from Profusion Cosmetic. See the color, oh my god, it looks so fun. I love all the colors here. For the eyeshadow look, but I'm still thinking what kind of look that should I do. I'm not sure about. Stay tuned, guys. Cruise. We're going to do the eyebrow first, since you see my eyebrow is like non-existent, because I'm going to do using, I know I should clean out this thing.
My eyebrow, I'm going to do my eyebrow. So how do you do it? I'm going to do.
Oh my goodness, people, it's broken. Oh shit. I'm going to do. Okay, take two.
This is just prepping, guys, because I wanted to make this like that natural eyebrow look. But my eyebrow doesn't really look that natural. It's like this. Then ko brushing ka na. Then ko tulak kasi ito.
Gincu. It looks fun, right? I know. It looks so fabulous. Okay, next we're using Brow Contour Pro by Benefit. Oh, I think I'm almost done with this, my left brows. Okay, then you're gonna use some concealer. I know it looks weird, no? Like, it looks like, oh my god, Nini, what's wrong with your eyebrow? It looks so bushy, I know, right? Oh. So I know I look weird right now, so just let do it. This one I'm using Kryolan for FS45. No, it's okay. I'm going to fast forward this, so no worries. So yeah, it looks like this. See the difference? Okay, now we go to the other part. Okay, so that you get your cleanse fully, and then you just take off all the excess. This will look some sorts natural, but it's not that natural, you guys know, as you can see. Okay, now I'm using Brow by Benefit. I'm using this fluke brush. Okay, I just already put the pomade there. This one is going to feather it out to mimic the eyebrow hair, to just fill it in, so you can feel like, oh, there's eyebrow there, but it's not there. I'm just draw it in, Oh, as you guys can see, my eyebrows look some sort what you guys call it, natural. This is how the eyebrow look. Okay, this is a bit too long, so I'm gonna swap it like a bang. How the eyebrow look, you guys like it? Okay, now we're gonna proceed with eye. Ouch, with the eyes.
First thing first, apply eyeshadow primer, and then with Rave, just apply it at the upper crease of the eyes like so, and don't forget your lower lash line too, okay? Next, with Totally, just apply it at the outer crease of the eyes, and also at the lower lash line too. And then with a white concealer, just do like what I do in the video. here I'm applying Bermuda mixed with Nautical at the white concealer that I put just now. And don't forget the lower lash line, the inner lower lash line, okay? Then with Amber and Totally, we just put it at the crease, between the upper crease and outer crease, just to give some depth to the eye. Then with Nautical, just apply it at the outer corner of the eyes, just to give it a bit of depth to the look. Then you apply white eyeliner like so. If you have white eyeliner, you can use the white foundation or white concealer that you have. Okay? Then you apply Bermuda on the white eyeliner like so. After that, you just top it with any light color highlighter that you have. Then apply black eyeliner. And don't forget to apply at the outer corner of your lower lash line too, okay? Then get your favorite gel eyeliner and apply it at your waterline. And then with Totally, just apply it at your outer corner of your lower lash line. And don't forget to blend, blend, blend. So get your falsies. Here I'm using Ninichan Drama Queen falsies. So here I get a slanting brush. This is a slanting brush or liner brush from Elefana Pro Brush. Then I just apply it at the upper crease of the eye just to give it a bit depth. And don't forget to blend it, okay? So here you see I'm mixing region with Totally. Just apply it at the outer corner of the eyes because I'm just feeling like so. And then don't forget your lower lash line too, okay? And blend, blend, blend.
This one would be like dramatic, like R, and this one's like, oh, so professional. Because yeah, this one I just experimented in, and this one is like the real thing. So you guys see my second attempt of this look. And I think I really like this one. It looks so clean. This one like, you know, dirty, murky. Yes, yeah.
And finish the eye look with your favorite mascara.
Oh, masalah mata.
Then get your favorite highlighter. Just put it at the inner corner of the eyes, just to give it a bit of pop. And don't forget to line your inner corner of the eyes like so.
Okay, that's for the eyes. So now just hold on and we go. And I'm going to do the whole look. And we'll be right.
Malaysia, si pernah bersyukur dengan apa yang sudah ada. So we just control nose. I want to be more. Nampak like all the angmo punya hidung.
So hey guys. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. And